Food is an essential part in everyday life. The major biomolecules of the food which perform these functions called nutrients. The study of various nutrients in relation to their effect upon the human body is called as nutrition. Major nutrients: carbohydrates, lipids, proteins, minerals, vitamins, and water. Insufficient food intake of necessary minimum amount of any nutrient leads to state of malnutrition. No food intake leads to starvation. Water is not always included as nutrients, but it is essential that the diet provides sufficient water required for many functions of the body. Lipids provide calories and essential fatty acids. Lipids equals 98% of triglycerides plus 2% phospholipids. Lipids carry fat-soluble vitamins. Linoleic acid and linolenic acids are needed as the precursor of arachidonic acid. Animal fat contain or very rich in polyunsaturated fatty acids. Plant and fish fat contain or very rich in polyunsaturated fatty acids. The vitamins are organic micronutrients, required is only milligram or microgram quantities per day. Fat-soluble vitamins, A, D, E, K. Water-soluble vitamins, B and C. Vitamins help to maintain organs and tissues healthy. Minerals are simple inorganic substances. Glucose is an important carbohydrate. Carbohydrates are derivatives of polyhydroxyaldehydes or ketones. Greek word of carbohydrates, saccharon. Monosaccharides are those carbohydrates that cannot be hydrolyzed to simpler compounds. Monosaccharides are subdivided into trioses, tetrases, pentoses, hexoses, and heptases depending upon the number of the carbon atoms. Lactose is the principal sugar present in milk. Raffinose and stachyose are two important oligosaccharides. Polysaccharides, glycogen present in animal muscles and liver. Polysaccharides, starches and dextrin present in plant tissues. Stereochemistry is the study of arrangement of atoms in three-dimensional space. Stereoisomers are compounds in which the atoms are linked in the same order but differ in their spatial arrangements. The carbon atom attached to four different atoms are linked is called as asymmetric carbon. Dextrorotatory, plane polarized light towards right side, plus sign. Levorotatory, plane polarized light towards left side, sign. Pyranose sugars contain a 6-member ring. Furanose sugars contain a 5-member ring. Glucose forms both a pyranose and furanose sugars in a ring structure. Isomers formed as a result of H and O on carbon atom 2, 3, 4 glucose are known as epimers. The most important epimers of glucose are mannose and galactose. Sugar plus keto group equals ketose. Sugar plus aldehyde group equals aldose. Glycosides are compounds formed by the condensation of reaction between sugar and hydroxyl group of a second compound glycine. Amino sugars, hexoamines, X, D-glucosamine, D-galactosamine and D-mannosamine. Glucosamine is a constituent of hyaluronic acid. Chitin is a polymer of N-acetyl-glucosamine. Galactosamine is a constituent of glycoprotein and mannosamine is part of mucoprotein. Disaccharides, maltose, sucrose, and lactose. Sucrose is a non-reducing sugar and most abundantly distributed sugar. Fructose is strongly levorotatory. Hydrolysis of sucrose yields a crude mixture called inert sugar. Honey contains a large proportion of invert sugar. Raffinose is also called melitose is a trisaccharide. Hot springs in Yellow National Park provided the first archean, Thermus aquaticus. Opportunistic pathogen, Pseudomonas aeruginosa. Place, Puronectes plastisa. Zone of maximum crystallization, -1 degree Celsius to -5 degrees Celsius. Best RSW, CSW ratio is 1:2.